Hello, my dear students and friends. Today I will discuss about the grouping in capacitors, that is series and parallel combination. Let we have two types of grouping. Number first, series combination or series grouping. Number second, parallel grouping or parallel combination. First of all, I will discuss series combination. Then capacitors are connected end to end via a single path. Then such type of combination will be called series combination. In this, charge always remain constant or same. Suppose we have three capacitors just like this. Then such type of combination will be called series combination. Like this combination is connected with a battery having potential difference V, that is voltage is V. Suppose V1 is the voltage across the capacitor C1. Similarly, voltage across the capacitor C2, and similarly for capacitor C3. These are the voltage drops across the first capacitor, this is across the second capacitor, and this is across the third capacitor. So, from figure we can write V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is equation number first. But Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to Q by C. This combination is series combination. So for total capacitance we can write as CS, and V is the total voltage and Q is the total charge. Similarly for first capacitor, V1 is equal to Q C1. And similarly for second capacitor. V2 is equal to Q by C2 and so on. Similarly for the third, Q upon C3. Now put the values of V, V1, V2 and V3 in equation first. V, V1, V2 and V3 in equation first. This is equation first. So V is equal to Q by Cs, and similarly for the voltage V1, that is across the capacitor C1, Q by C1. For V2, Q by C2. For V3, Q by C3. Here we note that Q is cancelled out throughout. Here we note that Q is cancelled throughout. So 1 upon Cs, 1 upon C1, 1 upon C2, 1 upon C3. This is the formula for capacitance in series combination in case of 3 capacitors. If we have number of capacitors, then in general we can write one upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 and so on, plus 1 upon Cn. This can be written just like this: summation I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n. In this case, we know that total capacitance decreases in series combination. यानी कैपेसिटेंस कम हुई है सीरीज में. In case of parallel combination, then one end of each capacitor is connected at one point and another end of each capacitor is connected at another point. Then such type of combination will be called parallel combination. For this, Consider we have three capacitors. Capacitor first having capacitor C1, capacitor second having capacitor C2, and capacitor third having capacitor C3. Now connect the battery having potential difference V. That is, total voltage is V. In this figure, we note that total potential always remain constant. That is, across the C1 voltage is same, across the C2 voltage is same, across the C3 voltage is same. That is V. But different is that. But difference is in the charge. Here Q is total charge, but in this case Q1 in the arm second Q2 and in the arm third Q3. ये सेम उसी तरह से है बेटे, जैसे मान लो हमारे पास कोई नहर आ रही है, नहर में पानी है और फिर आगे चल के हमने तीन छोटी छोटी नहरें वहां से निकाल दी, तो क्या होगा, कुछ पानी इस नहर में से चला जाएगा, कुछ दूसरे वाली नहर में से चला जाएगा और कुछ तीसरे वाली नहर में से चला जाएगा। नहर कुछ इस प्रकार की है कि आगे जाके फिर दोबारा से मिल जाती हैं और फिर एक बड़ी नहर बन जाती है। तो इसका मतलब देखो, ये चार्ज, ये जो पानी था, हम इस चार्ज को कंसीडर कर लेते हैं, चलो पानी, ये जो पानी है इस आर्म का भी यहीं जा रहा है, सेकंड आर्म का भी यहीं जा रहा है और थर्ड आर्म का भी यहीं जा रहा है। यानी जितना पानी यहां से जाएगा उतना ही पानी हमें यहां मिलेगा, क्योंकि कंजम्पशन तो बीच में कहीं है ही नहीं। तो सेम चार्ज हमें यहां मिलेगा। फ्रॉम फिगर वी कैन राइट Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. But Q is equal to C. Here Q is the total charge and C is total capacitance. That is in parallel combination, so we can write Cp. And V is the total potential difference, total voltage. Similarly, for first capacitor, we can write Q1 CV. Here voltage is same, but difference of capacitance C1, C2, C3. Cp is replaced by C1. Similarly, for second capacitor, we can write Q2 is equal to C2V. And similarly for third capacitor, Q3 is equal to C3V. Suppose this is equation number first. Now put all these values of Q, Q1, Q2 and Q3 in equation number first. Put all the values of Q, Q1, Q2 and Q3 in equation first. So we can write because Q is equal to CPV. Value of Q1 is C1V. For second capacitor C2V and for third capacitor C3V. Taking V common out, and we can write, cancel out V by V. So Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here we note that total capacitance increases in parallel combination. If we have number of capacitors, then in general we can write C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on, that is plus Cn, or summation Ci I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n. This is in terms of summation. So we know that in series combination total capacitance decreases, but in parallel combination total capacitance increases. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.